Hey guys, this is Chyna B. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited to talk to you about two very special things. First, let me introduce who I am collaborating with on this video today, an amazing YouTuber and cake artist, Miss Janie of JANIE'S Sweets. Say hey, Janie.
Hi Chyna, hi everyone. Thank you so much, Chyna, for having me on your channel. My name is Janie. I run a channel here called JANIE'S Sweets. I also have an Instagram account by the same name where I create custom cakes and some desserts, and I give business baking advice for home bakers.
Yes, Janie is super awesome. She is one of the first YouTubers that I ever saw before I even knew what creating cakes were. So I am super excited to collab with her today on birthday cakes, all things birthday. If you guys didn't know, this month is my birthday month. So I will be creating my birthday cake, which I'm super excited to do. Janie, what will you be creating?
Yes, so it's so ironic that when I started talking to Chyna, she told that I asked her, I was like, oh my gosh, I love your work. We need to collab. She told me that June was her birthday month. So, and ironically, both our favorite colors are purple, so it was meant to be. So since she's gonna be creating her birthday cake, I figured I would recreate the first cake I have ever made, which was my 21st birthday cake. And at the time, I had no idea what I was doing, clearly. And at the time, I thought it was good, but now, not so much. So I'm gonna be recreating it how a more professional baker would have. So I'm super excited about that.
So Janie's gonna go ahead and create her cake over on her channel, and I will go ahead and create mine. So you guys stick around for that. It's gonna be awesome. So this is the top tier of my cake. It is chocolate and 4 inches in diameter. The bottom tier is vanilla, and you'll see that later. It's 6 inches in diameter. Now for my birthday cake, I wanted to try something new. I decided to go with a marbled buttercream texture, which I had never done before, but I love the way it looks, so I had to try it. I'm just finishing with my final coat. I'm gonna pop this in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. You can do in the freezer for 15, and you'll see why in a second. So what I'm doing right now is just measuring the diameter of my cake and measuring the height of my cake. This is the parchment paper that I cut to the measurements of my cake. I'm just smearing buttercream on it. There are several different ways to do this technique. This is the way that I chose. Instead of parchment paper, you can also use acetate sheets, which will probably give you a bit more support, and you'll see what I mean in just a second. Now this is why I said you should probably use acetate sheets, because I had a bit of a difficult time pushing the parchment paper up against the cake. Again, the cake needs to be cold because you are going to be pushing and pressing, but it'll be fine. I also did not measure correctly, but I'll fix that in a second. I had to pop the cake back in the fridge to go ahead and repair that big gap right there. Now, after the cake came out of the fridge, I peeled back the parchment paper to reveal that amazing marbled buttercream texture. I absolutely love the way this birthday cake came out. I would totally try this technique again. And I had some extra buttercream, so I filled that space in. Nobody ever knew, except you and me. These are boba straws or milkshake straws that you see me inserting into the cake to support the top tier. All my products and supplies are listed in the description box as always. While you're down there, let me know if you like the voiceover. Typically, I don't talk during my videos. It's kind of a vibe with the cake decorating and the music, but if you like it, let me know in the comments below. If you don't like it, let me know in the comments below. I'm very interested to see what you guys say. Back to the cake now. When you see me using fresh flowers on any cake, they have been disinfected, the stems have been wrapped in floral tape, and straws have been inserted into the cake, and the stems will be inserted into the straws. You see me here adding silver leaf for some pizzazz, and I also added some sugar pearls.
So we are all done. Thank you guys for tuning in. I'm super excited to be celebrating my birthday. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Wish me happy birthday. Thank you, Janie, for stopping by.
Thank you so much, Chyna, for having me. I hope you guys also enjoy the video that I have created over on my channel. I honestly, I'm so thankful and grateful that Chyna, allowed me to collab with her, because when she told me she started watching me, first I was like, get out of here, because her work is so phenomenal. So thank you, Chyna, for having me. I had a blast creating, those cakes with you.
I'll leave a picture of Janie's cake here. Go ahead and show her some love, comment, subscribe, and like her work. And I appreciate you guys as always. Thank you so much, and I will see you next Wednesday.